Hello guys, Calebby here. Today I'm going to talk about the movie 300.
Be afraid! Sparta will burn to the ground! The 1,000 nations of the Persian Empire descend upon you!
What must a king do to save his world?
Instead, ask yourself, what should a free man do?
Threaten my people with slavery and death.
This is madness!
Madness.
This is Sparta!
Now there's a few movies about these 300 Spartan soldiers who braved their lives to fight off the impending doom from the Persian army. Now in the movies, because it's a movie, so it's very heavily dramatized. Like you see all the soldiers inside, so fit and proper. I'm sure you can see that I've been working out. Yeah, my guns are dramatized, inspired by real life story. Anyway, back to the Spartan story. Spartans in ancient Greece are really pretty fit because they could spend their entire life just working out, training for war, training with their weapons, their spears, their short swords, their shields. So they could do all that because they have slaves. Very simple, they have slaves. So when I was young and I watched the movie 300, I went to read up on Greek history and I realized that the military power back in their days were, after Thebes, there's Athenian or Athens, and Spartan or Sparta. So these two powers are the military power. So how the Athenians have their power is from a very strong navy which connected all their trade routes. So they actually got filthy rich with trade. The other one was Spartan. So every Greek city-state in the past in ancient Greece, they all have slaves. All of them has slavery in their society. They own slaves, and slaves usually do very menial tasks like work the field and tasks that people do not like to do. Now in our local context, or maybe in the US context as well, there are menial tasks that we do not want to do, which would then be outsourced to foreign people at a cheaper rate. So it's similar like that, but slavery is not okay. So we are not going to talk about slavery of human. Why did I bring this up? When I was young and I heard that, I was thinking to myself, in order for anyone to be able to do whatever they wish, like a Spartan wanting to train every night, every day, every single time without needing to worry about their livelihood. So there's a few ways they can go about that. Either they train to be very effective as a fighting machine and raid every surrounding neighbors, which they did initially for some time, but after that what happened was they started to own slaves, which they called Helots. I guess I'm pronouncing correctly, Helots, right, Helots. So by owning slaves, I think each one of them owns about 12 to 16 slaves on average. So with these 12 to 16 slaves, they do not need to work basically. They will be given plots of land by their state, which is Sparta, their city-state. And these plots of land will be worked by their slaves, and the income that is generated is similar to a passive income in their society. Now in our society, slavery has been banned, which is a good thing. But what we can learn from it is how to generate passive income. If you are able to own something, a property which is able to consistently produce stuff, then that is actually a passive income generating asset. How any one of us can get financial freedom is actually through passive income generating assets, by consistently owning more and more of them, and then by having their passive income generation become more and more as well, so that our income would grow. Now once our passive income exceeds our expenses, we are pretty much financially free. We can do whatever we like. So similar to a Spartan soldier, so once that 12 or 16 helots or slaves are able to consistently generate income, passive income for him, such that it exceeds his expenses, he could do whatever he likes. He could travel the world, but they don't like to travel the world. They just train all day. They're crazy.
This is madness!
Madness.
This is Sparta!
So that is what I got from the Spartan story, the story of passive income. Now that's the end of our short video on passive income and the Spartan history. Thanks for watching. Oh wait, if you have not subscribed, subscribe down below. Like this video if you find this type of analogy interesting. Like it so that YouTube will promote it to more people out there. So So once again, thanks for watching, subscribe, comment down below if you have other interesting histories you would like to find out about, and because I like history myself, I will probably be able to do a video on it in the future. So subscribe, like, comment. Thanks for watching. I went to read up on Sparta's history. I went to read up on Greece history. I went to read up on Greek histories, Greek history.